Hello friends, in this session I'll be discussing in brief about the introduction to dermatology. I'll be discussing about skin, anatomy of skin, layers of the skin and different types of cells present in the skin. First, we will study about the layers of skin. It has epidermis and dermis. Skin has epidermis and dermis. This epidermis is derived from the ectoderm, whereas this dermis is derived from mesoderm. This is about the introduction and anatomy. So, we will study about the layers of epidermis. First one is stratum corneum, stratum granulosum, stratum spinosum and basal cell layer. These are the four main layers of epidermis. First one is stratum corneum. Corneum means keratin. This layer has lots of keratin. Usually, this stratum corneum is underdeveloped in very low birth weight babies. This is underdeveloped in very low birth weight babies in initial 7 days. Stratum corneum is the superficial layer. It has more of keratin. This is underdeveloped in very low birth weight babies in initial 7 days. Second layer is stratum granulosum. As name suggests, it has granules. These are the keratohyalin granules. These are keratohyalin granules. They have different names like Woodland bodies or lamellar bodies, or they are also called as keratinosomes. These keratohyalin granules contain profilagrin. This contain profilagrin. Next layer is stratum spinosum. This layer has spinous projections at the border of cells. They have finger-like or spinous projections at the margin of keratinocytes. In this layer, there is maximum desmosomes. Fourth layer is stratum basalis. This is basal layer. In few conditions, there are only 3 epidermal layers. Psoriasis, actinic keratitis, and in case of very low birth weight infants. In this, there is absence of stratum corneum. Whereas in psoriasis and actinic keratosis, there is absence of stratum granulosum. In this, only 3 epidermal layers are present. In palms and soles, we can see 5 epidermal layers. One extra layer is stratum lucidum. This is non-nucleated epidermal layer. There are few terminologies like hyperkeratosis, hypergranulosis, and acanthosis. Hyperkeratosis means there is thick stratum corneum because this layer has more of keratin, whereas hypergranulosis means there is thick stratum granulosum. This is usually seen in lichen planus. Acanthosis means there is thick stratum spinosum. Acanthosis means spine. It is seen in lichen planus, eczema, and in case of psoriasis. Next, we will study about epidermal cells. 95% of the cells are keratinocytes. That means it has keratin. What is the function of this keratinocyte? It gives protection. This is the primary function, and it has immunological role. It secretes the cytokines in response to microbial attack. 95% are the keratinocytes, whereas rest 5% contains 3 types of cells. One is melanocytes, second one is Langerhans cells, third one is Merkel cell. First we will study about the keratinocytes. Keratinocytes, it contributes about 95%, and its primary function is to give protection, and it has immunological role. These are the keratinocytes. Next one is melanocytes. As name suggests, it contains melanin, that is pigment cell. These cells produce the pigment called as melanin. This pigment protects against ultraviolet rays. Usually, these melanocytes will be present in the basal layer. In basal layer, melanocytes will be present. This melanocyte is derived from the neural crest. These melanocytes drop the melanin through the dendritic cells into keratinocyte. There is presence of melanocytes in the basal layer. This will drop the melanin through the dendritic cells into the keratinocytes. This is called as dropping mechanism. There will be finger-like projections between melanocyte and keratinocytes. So, melanocytes will produce melanin, which they will drop to keratinocytes through dendritic cells. Next one is Langerhans cells. It is also called as dendritic cell. These are the mobile cells. Usually it is present in stratum spinosum and stratum granulosum layer. This comes from bone marrow. This Langerhans cells is also called as antigen presenting cells in the epidermis. Antigen presenting cells. Next one is Merkel cell. This is touch receptor. It is usually present in basal layer. This blue color is Merkel cell. It is touch receptor. Its derivation is controversial. Either it is derived from neural crest or from ectoderm. So this is about the skin anatomy and different types of cells. Friends, if you like this video, please click like button and share this video to your friends, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.